Controls design environment, logic generation. So in this module, I'm going to cover how you would go about generating logic once you have your project created. So you can see here I have the same project that I've shown in some of the other modules. I'll just go ahead and run the validation on it, make sure it all comes up okay. But as I execute the logic generation, it's going to do that for me as well. So to run that, I would need to go up under the Tools menu, go to the Plugins item under there, and then the first item listed here is the eLogic L5X Creator. So I can go ahead and click on that, and it's indicating that there were validation warnings found, but it gives me the option to continue and go ahead and create the logic. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. So at this point, it prompts me with a window that lets me select which version of GCCS2 to generate with. So if there's multiple sets of definitions in CDE, as is the case here, it'll let me pick which one I want to generate to. So here I can generate to 1.253, say OK, and it'll just prompting me, letting me know that's what it'll be generated to, and then it will start the process after I select OK there. Oh, actually first I'll need to let it know what file name that I want that to be saved to. So I'll just take the default, I have one existing, go ahead and replace it. And you'll see a variety of different messages pop up as it's running through the process. It gives you some information as to what it's doing along the way, let you know that it's still running, because it can take a fair amount of time if you have a rather large system. This one, since it's very small, should only take a minute or two to get through the generation. So as this gets to the end of the generation here, there'll be a message that should pop up, say it's completed. So at that point, we can go over to Logix 5000, and I can go ahead and open that file that I created. So in this case, the AA100B1. Say open that. Tell the file name to save it to. Replace the existing one, and it'll run through the import of the logic that was created. And once the logic has finished importing, it would be up to the end user to go and verify that the logic it created is correct, and go and fill in any to-do comments or touch up the logic as needed.